Hello and welcome. In this video, I will be talking about the comm interface within MYOB Greentree. We will take a look at what it is, where it's used, some quick tips and tricks, and a demonstration. The comm interface within Greentree allows Greentree to send data to Microsoft products such as Word and Excel through the use of bookmarks in Word and Excel templates. It can be used in the CRM, supply chain management, and human resource or payroll modules. It can also be unlocked in any other Greentree module through the use of the Business Process Management tool or BPM module within Workflow. Naming of bookmarks is key. Make them easy to identify within your templates, and there are no duplicate bookmark names, so use a simple number suffix for multiples such as employee name 1, employee name 2, where the employee name needs to be put in multiple places in a template. First, let's set up the comm interface definition. Go to HR, System, Utilities, comm interface definition. Greentree comes standard with a number of predefined comm interfaces, but let's select the HR employee for now. You can add as many bookmarks as you'd like, which consist of a bookmark name and a field that it's pointing to. Let's go and add the employee's phone number. Now, as you may be selecting fields from multiple records or record types that share a similar name or field name, I suggest prefixing the bookmarks with an appropriate description. So I'm going to put in HR person and phone, and double click on the field, and let's go find their phone number. Click on it and select OK, and save. The next step is optional. Go to HR, System, Setup. Under the HR Setup, there's a Templates tab, and for each of the module or record areas, you've got the option of defining a location of their templates. Now let's go create a Word template. And here's a Word template that I've already created. I've created a number of positions where I wish to store bookmarks, and I'm going to go ahead and select those. Now, when selecting those, you'll need to be careful because Word will automatically select the blank text at the end, which can cause some issues when using it going forward. So I press Shift and back, and you'll notice it gets rid of that blank space. Hit bookmark. Now this is where you need the bookmark names. I recommend simply copying and pasting. You'll notice I have the employee's name in this document twice, once at the top and then in the title. You can only use a bookmark name once. So this is why under the HR employee comm interface, you will notice that I have selected the get full name twice, and I've simply put a 2 at the end of the bookmark. You also have the ability with the comm interface of selecting user-defined fields or trees, like I have here with their stand-down start date. Once you have finished setting up your Word template, make sure to save it in that templates folder that you selected under the HR setup. It is important that this is a ... Now let's bring up a HR employee. When selecting the printer icon, you'll have the option of selecting Word template. This will take me to the templates folder that I've defined under the HR setup. We'll hit open. And this will pre-fill all my fields for me. The fairwork.gov.au website has quite a number of templates that are handy in Word format and PDF format, which you can download and use as a starting point for your comm interface journey. And if you'd like to see more of these types of videos, then stay up to date by hitting subscribe on our YouTube channel or following us on LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook. Until next time, thanks for watching.